What's up mga paps? In this video, I'm going to give tips on how to lose weight even when you're over 30 and very busy. Coming up next. When you're over 30 and you have a growing family and a career that demands time and effort, it's tough. And it's very likely that you take your health and fitness for granted. By the time you reach the age of 30, you will realize that your body is not what it used to be. For the most part, your metabolism is slowing down, making you gain a lot of weight and accumulate a lot of fat. Eventually, you are out of shape and you're probably overweight and obese. And it's not only about appearances. I bet you also feel like crap and you get tired easily. And when you're overweight, for sure you're going to feel a lot of joint pains and other pains that you don't understand. But that's okay. You can lose weight. And it's easier than you might think. And you want to know how, right? It's probably why you're watching this video right now. Okay, so before anything else, let me share this picture. So, this is how I looked last year. This is actually an award from my company for performing well. This is supposed to be a proud moment for me, but it's hard to be proud if you look like Jabba the Hutt. So that picture really triggered me. I decided to take charge of my health and commit to a weight loss program without sacrificing or compromising my responsibilities as a parent and a working individual. Now let me show you my transformation photo. Here it is. In this photo, I lost around 36 pounds. I started at around 203 pounds. And at 203 pounds, at my height of 5'6", it's already considered obese. And during that time, I can remember that I really feel like an obese person. So you can see that I really lost weight, 36 pounds. It's around the span of 8 months, I think. But the first 25 pounds that I lost was fairly quick and easy. I lost 25 pounds at around 3 to 4 months only. I just want to say that I am not a fitness guru or expert of some sort. I am not certified in any fitness certification program. I'm just an average 30-something guy that researched and committed to a weight loss program. And the tips I'm going to share here are very realistic. I'm a very busy person, and if I did it, so can you. So let's get to the tips. Tip number 1, count calories. Losing or gaining weight is all about calories. The calories you put in and the calories you burn out. It's that simple. The better you get at counting calories, like knowing how much calories you are eating and how much calories you're burning through exercise, the easier your weight loss journey can become. And as you go along with your weight loss journey via counting calories, you will learn to differentiate the good food from the bad food. And you also learn what type of exercises are best for burning calories or for losing weight. Also, you will realize that there's no magic pill or some exercise machine that will just magically make you lose weight or lose fat. It's all about calories. Tip number 2, buy a digital kitchen scale. You cannot count calories effectively if you do not have a digital kitchen scale. Buy a digital kitchen scale. It's very cheap. I bought mine for under $10. More often than not, calories are given in relation to the weight of the food you're going to eat. If it's not the weight, it's the volume, like in cups. For example, 1/2 cup of oatmeal is around 165 calories, and 1 gram of chicken breast is around 150 calories. The idea here is being fully aware of the calories you're putting inside your body. This way you're not guessing. So you might ask, how would I know the amount of calories of the foods I eat? This leads us to tip number 3. Use MYFITNESSPAL. MYFITNESSPAL is an app or a website that basically manages your calorie intake. It has a huge database of almost all the food that you can think of. It has information on all the nutrients, particularly the calories, the amount of calories of the foods that you eat. Usually when you buy food items in the grocery, You can see the nutrition facts at the label. But sometimes, with foods like egg or a kilo of chicken, you don't know the amount of calories they have. So MyFitnessPal will help you with that. All you have to do is put in the type of food, the amount of food that you have eaten, and voila, you get the amount of calories and amount of nutrients you put inside your body. This app has really helped me get on top of my diet and nutrition. The more you use it, the more knowledgeable you become about food. The more you know what kind of foods that will last you all throughout the day. Very, very good app, and I really recommend that you use it. Tip number 4, know your maintenance calories and taper down gradually. Okay, so in order for you to lose weight, you must know your maintenance calories. To do this, you must multiply your current weight with a factor of 12. Say for example, you currently weigh 200 pounds. You multiply this by 12 and you get 2,400. So 2,400 calories will be your maintenance calorie allowance for the day. So that simply means if you eat 2,400 calories daily, in theory, you will only maintain your weight. You will not gain weight, you will not lose weight. That's why it's called maintenance calories. Here's the best part. Now that you have your maintenance calories, which is 2,400 calories, you decrease this by around 500 calories. So what you have now is 1,900 calories. Now you have 1,900 calories as your daily calorie allowance. So basically what you're doing is you are now in a caloric deficit. 1,900 is not enough calories to fuel your body. So what happens is your body will try to get energy from different sources. Example of this, it will try to get energy from your fats. If you do this consistently on a daily basis, eventually you will lose weight. And as you get lighter, you can adjust accordingly. Also, you can play around with your calorie allowance. So like I said a while ago, you decrease it by 500. But if you're feeling confident, you can do a minus 1,000. But it's not really recommended because you decrease calorie too much and too quickly, you might burn out. You might jeopardize your whole weight loss program. So it's very important that you taper gradually. Tip number 5, exercise. In theory, you can lose weight with diet alone, but I don't advise doing it with diet only. Exercise is still key. Personally, I have 3 reasons why I exercise. Firstly, exercise allows me to eat the foods I like, the stuff I really like. Exercise is the opposite of food. Basically, when you eat food, you put in calories, but when you exercise, you burn calories. Say you had a 3-kilometer run, depending on your weight, you basically burn around 250 calories. So 250 calories is basically a cup of ice cream. So if you exercise daily and burn around 500 calories per day, you have more room for calories in your body. So that means you can eat extra 500 calories of food that you like. Or you can eat more. And you can choose anything that you like as long as you are within your daily calorie allowance. The second reason why you need to exercise is exercise speeds up your metabolism. When you exercise, you develop muscles and tone your existing muscles. And if you have more muscles in your body, your metabolism becomes faster. Exercise also increases the production of hormones that promote fat loss. You're not only burning calories during the exercise, you are also training your body to burn the energy even at rest. And the third reason is purely aesthetic, because eventually when you lose all the fat, you lose weight, you will look much better when you have muscles. And this goes for women as well. For the women, if you lift weights, you don't necessarily become bulky like a bodybuilder. You lift weights moderately. I mean, not so heavy, but heavy enough that you have to give more effort. It's okay. You will not be bulky. Tip number 6, exercise whenever you can and wherever you can. Of course, you are in your 30s, you're probably at the height of your career, probably at the busiest time of your life. So it is very important that you squeeze in your exercises as much as you can. If you have a free time within your day, squeeze in an exercise. No matter what kind of exercise, whether if it's a workout in the gym, 5K run, swimming, basketball, anything. As long as it is considered exercise or any strenuous physical activity and you enjoy it, being busy as you are, like me, you will never know because you can just get busy all of a sudden. That would be practically difficult for you to focus on your workouts. So whenever you have the chance, exercise. And another tip regarding that, don't limit your workouts inside the gym. Learn to work out in your home, the park. You can do calisthenics. To tell you the truth, you don't really need equipment, although equipment helps. You can work out by just pushing up, doing crunches, doing squats. Be creative. It's also a good idea to have a type of workout that you really enjoy. Example, I really like boxing and martial arts, so every time I get bored or too busy, I just have my way with the heavy bag and punch it for 30 minutes. So that's a good workout for me. Tip number 7, make your exercises measurable as much as you can. To make your weight loss journey more interesting, adopt a progressive overload principle. That means always aim to beat yourself so that you continually improve. For example, if you did 20 push-ups for 20 minutes today, aim to do 22 push-ups next week. If you did a circuit workout routine and you finish it for 15 minutes, try to finish it around 14 minutes on your next workout with the same routine. If you lifted a max of 150 pounds bench press, maybe next week you can try to beat that and do 160 pounds. The principle here is progressive overload. You do this, you always have a goal. There's nothing more motivating when you see yourself progress. Progress is very addictive. You are fueling your desire to do more and you stay consistent. So guys, those are my 7 weight loss and fitness tips for the 30-somethings. Hope it can help you achieve your weight loss and fitness goals. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you have some feedback, whether it's positive or negative, please do comment below. I love to read your comments. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Ilonggo Dad, out.